Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Vanguard. To begin, you will want to understand the three core game modes: multiplayer, zombies, and campaign. Each offers a unique experience, from competitive team battles to cooperative survival. Next, spend some time in the settings to customize your controls and sensitivity. Finding what feels right for you is crucial for precise aiming and fluid movement. Finally, select a primary and secondary weapon that complements your preferred combat range and role on the team. Mastering movement is key to survival and outplaying opponents. Tactical Sprint allows for rapid movement across the map, helping you quickly reach objectives or escape danger. Practice slide canceling to maintain momentum while changing direction, making you a harder target to hit. Always be mindful of your minimap and listen for enemy footsteps to anticipate their movements. Good positioning, like holding power positions or flanking, can give you a significant advantage in firefights, especially in close-quarters combat. Your loadout is your personal toolkit for success on the battlefield. Experiment with various weapon classes, from fast-firing submachine guns to powerful sniper rifles, to find what suits your style. Each weapon can be customized with up to 10 attachments, significantly altering its stats like recoil control or damage range. Don't forget to choose perks that enhance your abilities, such as Ghost for stealth or Dauntless for immunity to movement-reducing effects. Field upgrades provide tactical advantages, so deploy them wisely. Playing the objective is paramount for victory, even if it means fewer eliminations. In modes like Domination, capturing and holding control points is more important than individual kills. Effective teamwork, through clear communication via pings or voice chat, can coordinate pushes and defend key areas. Deploy your kill streaks at opportune moments. A well-timed mortar barrage or attack dog deployment can clear an objective or secure a crucial area, turning the tide of the entire match in your favor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.